Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you're looking to create custom, eye-catching hats, Sublimation is the way to go. In today's video, we're going to dive into everything you need to know about sublimation hat blanks, from choosing the right materials to achieving vibrant, lasting designs. Whether you're making hats for a business, a sports team, or just for fun, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your sublimation hats turn out beautifully. Let's get started. Sublimation printing is ideal for creating custom hats because it produces vibrant, long-lasting designs that won't peel, crack, or fade. Unlike vinyl or screen printing, sublimation ink becomes part of the material itself, resulting in a smooth, professional finish that holds up over time. However, to get the best results, you need to start with the right kind of hat blanks, specifically sublimation-compatible hats. So, let's go over the basics of choosing the right hat blanks for sublimation. The first thing to know is that sublimation works best on polyester-based materials. For a design to transfer effectively, the material needs to be at least 65% polyester, though 100% polyester is even better. Polyester fibers are able to bond with sublimation ink, which is what makes the design last. If you try sublimation on cotton or other natural fibers, the ink won't bond properly, and your design may appear faded or wash out over time. For hats, look for polyester or polyester blend fabrics to ensure your design comes out crisp and vibrant. Next, it's important to consider the style of the hat blank. Sublimation can be used on a variety of hat styles, including baseball caps, snapbacks, trucker hats, and beanies. Baseball caps are a popular choice, especially for casual and sportswear, while trucker hats are great for creating trendy, stylish designs. The style of hat you choose depends on your design goals and target audience, but each option can yield impressive results when done right. Just be sure to select hats with a sublimation-compatible front panel for the best outcome. For hats with a structured, firm shape, it's helpful to use foam front or stiff polyester panels. Foam front panels are especially popular with trucker hats, and they provide a smooth, flat surface for sublimation printing. This structure makes it easier to apply heat and pressure evenly, resulting in a sharp, clear transfer. Unstructured hats, such as beanies, can also be sublimated, but they require careful alignment and may not produce as consistent results. If you're new to sublimation, starting with structured hats can make the process easier. Now, let's talk about choosing the right sublimation design for hats. Because hats have a smaller, curved surface, simple and bold designs tend to work best. Text-based designs, logos, monograms, or icons are ideal, as they don't require as much space and remain visible even on a smaller canvas. If you're working with more intricate artwork or multiple colors, try scaling down the design to ensure it's easy to read and doesn't get lost in the hat's curves. Once you have your design, it's time to print it using sublimation ink on sublimation paper. Be sure to mirror your design before printing so it appears correctly on the final product. Use high-quality sublimation paper and set your printer to high-resolution mode to ensure your colors come out vibrant. Allow the ink to dry for a few minutes before handling the print, as this reduces the risk of smudging or blurring during transfer. Before transferring the design, it's essential to prepare the hat blank. Start by wiping the surface of the hat with a lint-free cloth or a quick wipe of rubbing alcohol. This removes any dust, oils, or residue that could interfere with the ink transfer. Once the hat is clean, position the sublimation paper with the printed design face down on the desired area of the hat. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper in place to prevent any shifting during the transfer process. For hats with a curved surface, securing the design firmly with tape is especially important to avoid ghosting or misalignment. For the heat transfer process, you'll need a hat press or a convection oven. A hat press is specifically designed to apply even heat and pressure to the curved surface of a hat, making it the ideal tool for sublimating hats. Set the hat press to a temperature of around 325 Fahrenheit to 400 degrees and adjust the timer for approximately 45 to 60 seconds. Be sure to follow any specific instructions for your particular equipment, as different presses may have varying requirements. If you're using a convection oven, wrap the hat in heat-resistant shrink wrap to hold the design in place, and set the oven to around 400 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. Using an oven can be more challenging for hats than for other sublimation items, as it's harder to control the pressure and placement. However, with some practice, you can still achieve great results. Just be cautious and rotate the hat halfway through if necessary to ensure even heating. Once the timer goes off, carefully remove the hat from the heat press or oven, being cautious as it will be hot. Allow the hat to cool for a few moments, then carefully peel back the sublimation paper to reveal your design. If done correctly, your design should appear vibrant and smooth, with the ink fully bonded to the polyester fibers in the hat. Check the hat's surface for any imperfections, and if needed, lightly press it again to ensure a complete transfer. When it comes to caring for sublimated hats, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Since sublimation ink bonds with polyester, the design is generally very durable. However, to extend the life of your design, consider washing hats by hand with mild soap and cold water rather than machine washing. If you do machine wash, use a gentle cycle and avoid high heat during drying. Proper care will help maintain the brightness and clarity of your design over time. Sublimation hat blanks are a fantastic way to expand your customization options and create personalized items that stand out. These hats can be used for many purposes, from custom branding and promotional giveaways to unique gifts for friends and family. Personalized hats are especially popular for sports teams, family reunions, and small businesses, making them a versatile choice in the sublimation world. And with the right hat blanks, you can achieve a high-quality, professional finish that looks just as good as store-bought hats. For those who want to go a step further, consider experimenting with layered or mixed media designs. You can use sublimation as a base layer and add vinyl or embroidery for extra detail and texture. Combining sublimation with other design techniques gives you endless possibilities and allows you to create hats that are truly one of a kind. Just make sure that each layer is compatible with the polyester material and can withstand the heat press process. In summary, creating custom hats with sublimation requires the right materials, a bit of patience, and attention to detail. By selecting high-quality polyester or polymer-coated hat blanks, choosing the right designs, and using the appropriate heat settings, you'll be able to create stunning, durable sublimation hats that make a lasting impression. And there you have it, a complete guide to sublimation hat blanks. With the right materials, designs, and techniques, sublimation allows you to create unique, personalized hats for any occasion. From sports teams and events to fashion statements, sublimated hats offer endless creative possibilities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and more resources to help you get started where applicable. And be sure to visit my website for more guides and inspiration on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what hat designs you'd like to try. See you in the next video.